Which one works better for baking cookies, aluminum foil or parchment paper?
Hey there, baking enthusiasts! Welcome to today's video where we'll be answering the age-old question: which works better for baking cookies, aluminum foil or parchment paper? If you've ever found yourself torn between these two options, stick around as we explore the pros and cons of each. Let's dive right in.
Aluminum foil.
Aluminum foil has been a kitchen staple for decades, known for its versatility and ability to withstand high temperatures. But does it make a good choice for baking cookies? Let's find out. Benefits of aluminum foil for baking cookies. 1. Heat conduction. Aluminum foil is an excellent conductor of heat, meaning it distributes heat evenly across the surface of your cookies. This can result in cookies that are baked uniformly, with a consistent texture and color. 2. Easy cleanup. One of the advantages of using aluminum foil is its non-stick nature. When you line your baking sheet with foil, it prevents the cookies from sticking, making cleanup a breeze. Drawbacks of aluminum foil for baking cookies. 1. Browning. While aluminum foil promotes even baking, it can hinder browning. Foil reflects heat away from the cookie surface, resulting in less browning compared to parchment paper. 2. Texture and spread. Aluminum foil has a smooth surface that can affect cookie texture and spread. Cookies baked on foil may have a slightly different texture, and the spread may differ from what you would expect using parchment paper.
Parchment paper.
Parchment paper, also known as baking paper, has gained popularity among bakers due to its convenient and reliable properties. Let's see how it stacks up against aluminum foil when it comes to baking cookies. Benefits of parchment paper for baking cookies. 1. Non-stick surface. Parchment paper is coated with silicone, which creates a non-stick surface. This ensures that your cookies won't stick to the paper, making it easy to remove them from the baking sheet. 2. Browning and texture. Parchment paper allows cookies to brown more evenly by absorbing excess moisture. This promotes a desirable texture and color in your baked goods. Drawbacks of parchment paper for baking cookies. 1. Limited heat conduction. Parchment paper is not as effective as aluminum foil in conducting heat. This can result in slightly longer baking times or the need to adjust the temperature for certain recipes. 2. Prone to grease soaking. Parchment paper can absorb grease from butter or oil used in cookie recipes. This can affect the texture of the cookies and lead to a slightly greasier result. In conclusion, both aluminum foil and parchment paper have their merits when it comes to baking cookies. Aluminum foil provides even heat distribution and easy cleanup, while parchment paper offers a non-stick surface and promotes better browning and texture. Ultimately, the choice between the two depends on your personal preferences and the specific outcome you desire for your cookies. Remember to consider factors such as the recipe, desired texture, and browning level when making your decision. Experimentation is key, so don't be afraid to try both methods and see which one works best for you. Happy baking, and may your cookies always turn out delicious!